Hey Lavissa, this is Tyler with Leads by Lordi. I spoke to you a while back, told you I'd be creating a custom video with some free marketing tips for you. And what this really is an attack plan that you can implement right away in order to start outranking some of your competitors online and bringing in more customers for your business. So I have your website pulled up here and it looks great. All right, you have, the basic information you need. You have the book an appointment up top, which is awesome. Customers can come in and get there right away. Looks like there's an about and just a couple little sections here and a contact form. So the first thing that I wanted to get into was content. And content is king with Google. They like to see anywhere from 1,000 to even 2,000 words of content on that homepage alone. And what that does is it allows you to rank for specific keywords that users are searching for when it comes to your services. So I pulled up a tool called Ahrefs, and it shows you your website ranking here and a couple little things here such as your UR and DR, which is the trust flow and power for backlinks. And that's the second thing I want to talk about. A backlink is a vote of confidence from another website that points back to your site. It's like a big popularity contest in high school, right? So you have 4 websites pointing back to yours, and it's giving you 14 backlinks. All right, so you don't have a ton of power and trust, but we can absolutely grow that over time. And then typically you'd see some organic keywords and traffic, but nothing here right now. So I pulled up a competitor of yours that shows up on the first page of Google for a keyword as tax services Philadelphia. So let's check them out and see what they have going on. So taxpa.com. All right, so this was one of the first results on Google for that search phrase. And you can see here they've got quite a bit of information. They've got a good bit of content, all about their services. They got the form. Site looks pretty nice. So they got the button there. They don't have a ton of links, right? They have this get help today. But nothing else really. So they have all these different service pages that you can see. So I wouldn't say they had 1,000 or even obviously 2,000 words of content. So, knowing that now, you can go in, add some content to your site and beat them out there in that regard. So let's click on some of their service pages, check out the back pages here. They got a little bit of content, but nothing crazy. All right, and that's kind of what you can do over here at your site. You could make a tab for providing professional tax, notary, and recording services, right? Or all that you do, payroll, bookkeeping. We can do different tabs for that and create more content and obviously rank for more keywords that people are searching for. All right, so going back to their site, right? They have pricing, blog, contact us, right? So just some basic information, and these back pages, they have a bunch of, but not a ton of content on them. And we like to see anywhere from 500 to even 750 words on the back pages as well. So let's pull up their report here in Ahrefs, and you can kind of see here they've got a lot more information. They've got 30 and 19 as their trust and power going on. They have 781 backlinks and 130 sites pointing back to theirs, okay? And here's the keywords that I wanted to show you. We'll get into those, see what they're ranking for. All right, so tax preparation Philadelphia, tax accounting Philadelphia. These are 2 big ones, right? They have 100 search volume. So 100 people are searching these terms a month on Google, and they're showing up on the first page here, all right? And it's bringing in some traffic for them as well. So those are some phrases that you would want to rank for your site as well. Affordable accounting, not necessarily Philadelphia related. Tax services Philadelphia, 20 search volume. Philadelphia tax accountants, 20. We can just kind of go down this list. Accountants Philadelphia, 80. Right, so add up some of these good ones that you'd want to rank for. I mean, you're looking at 100, 200 plus search volume a month coming to your website. Imagine what, even 10% of that would do for your business. So I'm going to pull up one more for you. A&M Burke Tax Services, another first page result. And as we scroll down their homepage here, not a lot of content. So again, utilize that tip, put in some more content on your site, And it looks like they have some buttons here going to different pages, which is always good. All right, they've got services. All their services are on one page, right? And again, we can do different pages for all of these services, adding in more content. Individual tax prep. Looks like they have links, but they all go to this page, so that doesn't work out. Locations, resources. Okay, so nothing great, right? Let's jump into their report. So the power and the trust here, not as great. They have 244 backlinks, 56 websites pointing back to theirs, and then here are their keywords as well. Okay, tax services Philadelphia, 100. Tax services Philadelphia, PA, 20. Tax preparation Philadelphia. All right, so kind of the same thing. Tax prep Philadelphia, right? And they're on the first page for those. All right, so a lot of times, and we'll get into this in a little bit, but a lot of times when people are searching for these phrases such as tax preparation, accounting, bookkeeping, whatever it may be in Philadelphia, they're going to go to the first page, they're not going to go past it, and they're going to click on the top results, right? And the third thing I wanted to talk about was citations, and this is what's going to build up your Google My Business listing. So I'm going to jump into that here. All right, here's your business listing here on Google. You got 14 reviews, 5 stars, which is awesome. You get all your information, phone number, address, hours. And then let's see. One big thing we could look at is photos. Okay, looks like you got a little bit of, quite a bit of photos, which is nice. We could even add some more. You want to make sure you're saving these photos correctly as well with those keywords, those high volume keywords that users are searching for. And then your description here, we want to max that out and again utilize some keywords in there. Right? They allow you, I believe, 750 characters, so max that out. Again, allowing for more keywords to be used. All right, so back to the citations. The citation is a name, address, phone number, right? Just as it's listed here. Okay, and what it is in business listings such as Yellow Pages or Yelp or any listing like that, they're on there and they build up this Google Map Pack here. All right, they build up your Google My Business listing inside this Google Map Pack. Think about it when you go type in pizza place near me, right? You're going to click on the top 3 spots, or maybe even just the top one, because you trust Google to send you the best places. All right, and that's what someone's typing in or searching for when they type in tax services Philadelphia, right? They think that, okay, these are the top 3, right? Or if they skip this, they're going to come down here and they're going to find the top businesses, right? Here's Tax PA and here's Burke Tax. All right, so they're going to search for the businesses. They're not necessarily going to go to Yelp or Expertise or Thumbtack. Okay, people want to click on a website and get right to it. So we want to get you up in the organic listings here. We want to get you up in the map pack, build up those citations, and bring in some more business for you. So again, we talked about content and we talked about backlinks and we talked about citations. If you like what you heard, feel free to utilize this information yourself. But if you need some help, give me a call. My phone number is 267-885-3473. Here's my business website, leadsbylordi.com. I'll talk to you soon.